Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil the correct way on any vehicle that has ever been made and ever will be made. The first step on how to change your oil the correct way is that you're going to need to jack your car up just like any other normal person would. Once you have the car safely jacked up, make sure you use a jack stand for your safety. Find the drain bolt, take the drain bolt out, and let your oil drain. Every vehicle's drain bolt size differs. This particular vehicle, my drain bolt size is an adjustable wrench. Alright, now while your oil is draining, you want to keep the drain bolt out. And with the drain bolt out, you're going to want to start the engine of the vehicle, so that way all the oil that's still in the top of the motor can run out down through the drain. So that way you get all the oil out. Now we're going to add the oil back into the vehicle. Under normal circumstances, you're going to want to go out to the auto parts store and buy new oil, but for video purposes, I ran this oil through the dishwasher to make sure it's nice and clean, and I'm adding it back into the engine now. Make sure that doesn't happen to you. For engine oil additives, I like to use a little bit of brake fluid. Helps the car stop faster. You're going to want to add in some chain lube to lube up all the chains in the engine. And who doesn't like having a clean, fresh car after an oil change? That's why I like to add in some car wash and wax. Once all said and done, put the cap back on, start the motor up, and let her rip. Get the oil flowing all through her. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that way you get notifications for when I launch this car off of a 300-foot cliff. And I'm not joking about that either. This car was in a little bit of an accident. The radiator's completely bent back. It broke the exhaust off the manifold, and it broke a pulley off. So there's no belt at all. Actually, the belt's here somewhere. Probably got chewed up and spit back out. But she's all sorts of smashed up. So I'm going to send this car off a cliff, wide open throttle, 200 miles an hour, right off the top of a 550-foot cliff, right into solid ground. I'm going to have a GoPro in the car, and I'm going to have multiple camera angles on the top of the cliff and the bottom of the cliff. So if you guys want to see that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button.